This is how you make a face shield. You will need an acetate sheet, strips of cloth. I'm using J cloth here, sticky back foam, and a hole punch, and some sellotape. Okay, so watch the process now. First, we make holes in the laminate about 1 centimeter from the top on either side. Get your foam, peel that off, and at the center of the laminate, about 1 centimeter from the top, firmly stick the foam. Get your strip of cloth, feed it through the hole, tie a knot, you can do a double knot if you're able to. Secure the end of the knot with sellotape. Go to the other side. Feed that through. Tie your knot. Get your sellotape and secure. Do a quick test to make sure everything's secure. There we have a face shield ready for use.